Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best lavender essential oil that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Majestic Pure Essential Oil. The Majestic Pure Lavender Oil boasts a great therapeutic effect. You can use it to calm yourself down, get rid of stress and anxiety, and relax. It is widely used in aromatherapy to soothe mind and body. Lavender is really versatile as it blends beautifully well with any essence you like. The top note of the oil has strong aroma with deep floral scent. There are also fruity, mellow notes. To fully smell the aroma, you can put a few drops of this lavender essential oil on a tissue. The aroma will breathe, evolve, and open up. If you have very active and fidgety children, you can add a few drops of this magic essence in your diffuser and turn it on for 30 to 60 minutes. You will be surprised with the results. Your kids will calm down and relax before going to bed. Moving on, at number 4, we have the first Botany, 100% pure Bulgarian lavender essential oil. People who are striving to improve their well-being but do not want to turn to medicine will really appreciate this Bulgarian lavender essential oil. It improves circulation, aids in respiratory problems, moisturizes skin, and reduces acne scars. You do not have to worry about getting addicted to it, like to chemicals, as it is absolutely natural. It does not contain any fillers or additives. Just take a glass dropper and put a little of oil to your tub before having a bath. You will be impressed with the relaxing effect the oil will bring you. It is also very popular for use in diffusers. Overall, if you are leading a healthy lifestyle, this is your choice. Once you try it, you will not be able to stop. At number 3, we have the Healing Solutions Lavender Essential Oil. The manufacturer of this therapeutic essential oil is so confident about the quality of this product that it even offers you a refund in case you are not satisfied with the oil. Isn't it a proof that the oil is a premium product? In addition, this lavender oil from Healing Solutions has been tested and approved by professionals. This company produces more than 170 various oils and essences. Making their oils, they strictly control the process of bottling and provide absolute distillation, and this oil is no exception. Thus, you can be sure that you will feel natural and rich lavender scent. At number 2, we have the Now W Essential Oils Lavender Oil. If you want to create a romantic and relaxing mood in your place, then you'll certainly need the Now Foods 100% pure lavender oil with its refreshing smell. Just add a few drops into an essential oil diffuser and enjoy your room smelling like a garden full of flowers. Considering the fact that lavender oil perfectly blends with the majority of other oils, you can create unforgettable aromas in your living room, bedroom, or nursery. You can easily mix this oil with other essential oils depending on the results you expect. And finally, at number 1, we have the Plant Therapy Lavender Essential Oil. This lavender oil is produced without adding any fillers, additives, bases, or carriers. For sure, this premium quality oil is a very useful thing in any household. This essence will be helpful for treating your skin if there is some kind of irritation, for example, or creating a nice aroma for a special occasion. The floral scent of the oil boasts herbaceous, fresh aroma with a woody undertone. It is jam-packed, so all the therapeutic properties of this lavender essential oil are preserved. The bottle is pretty compact and has a roll-on, so you can put it in the purse and take it with you wherever you need. It is very convenient if you are an active person who is always on the go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.